is that you know that it was ta marbuta.
I mean, how do you know then that it would be? I'm now assuming now because it has a ta at the end that
You
it's
know the word.
Assuming I didn't know the word.
You know what the ta was.
Now the thing, can we assume that all the time as a rule now?
Yes. You can assume that ani is a suffix. That ani is something that is appended. That ani is not inherited.
Attached to a ta, and obviously that's a
That ta would have been a feminine ta. Does that make sense? You can assume that ani is not appended to general words or any words. I mean, no word as a noun has ani in it. With me? Okay? I mean, in general, as a singular. So you know that there is the plural. So you know that that's a suffix. Then you see there's a ta. Now you know that ta is from the previous word. That ta must have been a ta al-marbuta. Make sense? Okay. Mu'allimatun. Atun is what? Many. Two is mu'allimatan. Two will always have ani. Doesn't matter which masculine or feminine, you'll always see ani. But here I see atun. And mu'allimatun is feminine. Mujtahidatun is hardworking. So the hardworking teachers. Okay, al-laylatul muzlima. The dark, muzlim is dark. Al-laylatu singular. Qamarun, moon. Munirun, illuminated or bright. The bright moon, a bright moon. Ash-shamsu, al-muniratu, the bright sun. Al-aynani, aynun, aynani. Aynani is what? Singular, dual or plural? Dual. It's two. Right? So aynani, lami'atani. As-sana, sana is year. I didn't touch on this, but earlier, sana can have a broken plural as sanatun. Right? Sanatun, its plural can be sanawatun. Right? Or sinina. Or sinuna. So it's one of those words that can have for both a masculine and a feminine sound plural. Okay? Very few words, but it's one of those words. Okay, will you guys be fine with this?
Yeah.
Let me summarize it into a table. Okay, I will do it over here. So the singular dual, and then I'll put the plural masculine here and plural feminine here. Okay, so we have a singular word. When I have it, a masculine singular word, let's say, and this is just sound, right? So mu'allimun. Are you with me? Mu'allimun. The dual will be, I add on ani. I add on ani. So the word will then be mu'allimani.
Is this mu'allimu? Wait, mu'allimu?
Yes. The dual will be mu'allimani. So ani, the plural is mu'allimani. Sorry, the dual. Two teachers. Right? Then for masculine it will be mu'allimuna. Is everybody fine with that? I added on una.
But isn't this? Oh, okay. So obviously the word isn't it dual? Did we say dual? We get masculine and feminine dual.
Well, the No. You just add ani and aini.
All the time.
All the time, but you make the singular feminine first.
Oh, okay.
So muallimatun becomes muallimatani
Tani.
and muallimataini.
So what did you say?
Yeah. And the same with the plural. You make the plural muallimatun. Okay, I'm gonna just write it all next to it. Okay, let's take muallim. Muallimun, everybody. And here we take muallimatun. Muallimatun. With me? Muallimun and muallimatun. Quickly, what's the drill? Muallimani. Right? Also, the drill could be muallima, muallim. Right, and the plural will be? What's the plural? Muallimuna. So here's the plural. Muallimuna. The plural is also, could also be muallimina.
For muallimun,
I'm listening.
is that are we applying the same principle like you is make it a feminine and then make it a plural?
Those are all masculine, the whole top row. Are you with me? This whole row here.
What about muallim? It's feminine.
Here's the feminine.
So you always make your base word feminine and then you make it dual and plural.
And then you see what happens. Yes. Except for the plural part. So muallimatun becomes what does it become?
Muallimat.
Muallimatun. Right. Okay. What is this one going to be? Muallima. Muallima. Or muallima.
Muallimatani.
Muallimatani or muallimatani. And then this here muallimuna will be muallimatun. Or it could be muallim. Muallimatun or muallimati. So this is the singular, this is the plural, and this is the plural, which is sound, right? Or solid. And this here is masculine, and this is feminine. Okay. Then you translate this. Now this is, I will do this with you tomorrow morning as well. A shining eye. So please, you need to revise all the work, right? An eye is feminine. So we say a shining eye is aynun lami'atun. Aynun lami'atun. Because aynun is feminine, lami'un is masculine. So make it feminine, you make it lami'atun. Okay. Okay, very well done, people. Then the last thing that you need to do is there's a test, mock test, test number 2. How many types of compounds are there? Quickly, 2 broad categories of compounds we did yesterday. Our goal is to work with what kind of compounds?
حاضر حاضر. Is this one like معلمات معلمان?
We did two broad types of compounds yesterday. The complete compound and incomplete compound. Okay? What are the two broad types of murakkab? Murakkab can be murakkab tam or murakkab naqis. They can be complete or they can be incomplete. Right, and you must give examples. So rajulin hasanun is an incomplete one. Check the slides. All the answers are in the slides. What's murakkab tawsifi? This one. The adjectival phrase or the adjectival compound. Murakkab tawsifi is what? Adjectival compound. Okay. Then what about murakkab tawsifi? What's each part called? The first part is called mawsoof and the second part is called sifa. Okay? First part is mawsoof, second part is sifa. Then what else? The first part is the ism that, the second part is the ism sifa. Everybody with me? In which aspects do they have to correspond with the noun? What are the exceptions? Explain with examples. How many aspects? The gender, the ending, the number, and definiteness or indefiniteness. What are the exceptions? When it's plural of unintelligent being, then we describe the plural as singular and feminine. Then it doesn't agree with number. Right. And when the word has signs of femininity but refers to a male, we have the adjective as male. Okay. And here's exercise number 4. It's not too long. Okay. Let's see short exercise for today. What are the signs of feminine words? The ta, marbuta, and the ya, the alif maqsura, right? And also the alif mabduda, the alif with the hamza afterwards. And which words are regarded as feminine without any signs? The words that we heard from the Arabs, like earth, rih, ard, those ones. Okay? In spite of having signs of being a feminine word, even though they look like feminine, what words are masculine? Words that refer to males. Like allama, like tarafa, like khalifa. Right, very good. Okay. Then question number 8. What is the rule for making the dual and the sound plural forms? How do you make dual? You just add ani or aini. And how do you make the sound masculine plural? Una or ina. And what is jamul mukassar? The broken plural. And what's the rule for forming the broken plural? There is no general rule. Right. And what are the broken plurals of nahrun? Anhurun. What's the broken plural of rajulun? Rijalun. What's the broken plural of khashabun? Khushubun. And then what is the plural of sanatun? Sinuna or sinina or sana? Sanawatun. Don't worry, it's in the notes. Everything in the notes. What's different between jam? Jam is plural. Okay? And you can write this on the test there. What is the difference between jam? Jam is plural and ismu jam is the plural of a group, meaning a collective noun. Okay? And this one we treat as a plural and that one is also plural. So what's ismu jam? It's a collective noun. And what's jam? A plural. Okay, last thing. There's a combination of words here like qamarun, shamsun, aynabun. Aynab is grapes, laban is milk, asalun. That's a new word for you guys. It's not in your vocab, so you can add it. It means honey. Okay? Asalun is honey. You need to use these words and make up murakkab tawsifi. As many as you can. And how do you make up murakkab tawsifi? Very easy. Very, very easy. Right? What must you do? For murakkab tawsifi, you must have ismu dhat and ismu sifa. First ismu dhat, then ismu sifa. So break up the words. Qamarun is ismu dhat. Denotes the being of the moon. Shamsun is ismu dhat. Aynabun ismu dhat. Labanun ismu dhat. Asalun ismu dhat. Harbun ismu that. Ardun ismu that. Bintani, what is bintani? Konya.
The dual.
It's dual of what? The word
Daughters.
bintun, which became
Two
bintani.
daughters.
Two, not daughters,
Girls.
two girls, right? Rijalun, sinun, all of that is ismu that. Kutubun, ismu that, plural, ayyamun, hulun, that is not ismu that, right? It's ismu sifa because it's a description, means sweet,
Yeah.
right?
What is ismu that now?
Ismu that is a word that denotes the being, like a book.
Ismu
And then
that.
like good or bad
So
or
sifa denotes
evil
the quality.
or ugly or beautiful, all of those are ismu sifa, which denotes the quality or the attribute. Salihun, that can be both. So we can take rijalun salihun. Are you with me? Rijalun salihun. Nafi', beneficial. We could say asalun nafi'un. Jariyatun. Bintani jariyatani. Doesn't really make sense there, but okay. And mudawwarun means round. So I can say ardun, but is out feminine or masculine? Feminine. It's one of those feminine words that we heard from the Arabs. And mudawwarun is round. So I can say ardun mudawwaratun, a round earth. Does that make sense? Okay. And that concludes.
Sure, Allah.
And then this thing I will also send you. Don't worry with this muthanna ya, antuma, antum. Huwa you know, huwa is he. Hiya is she. Anta is you. Anti is you, female. Ana is
Hi.
Nahnu is we. Antunna is
You all female.
you all female. Antum is you all male. Hum is they. And hunna is they female. I will send this to you in the slides.
No, Muthanna is also a name, eh? Muthanna.
Muthannam.
Muthanna. The
Name.
name.
I have no idea what it means.
For a male or female?
Male. Muthannam. Okay. Shukran. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be a short, very short, easy paper.
Yeah, tomorrow the fourth day. The fourth day tomorrow.
Yeah, day 4 tomorrow.
Sure. I'm live and having fun, eh?
Tomorrow, the paper is about easy 70, 80 marks or something. And you will have all the time in the world. Yeah, it's very easy. Just know it's easy translations. Okay. It's on everything. It's on everything. Everything. We didn't do much. It's fine. We'll be fine. All of you guys will
What
be
time
fine.
are we tomorrow? Same time? Same time tomorrow.
What is tomorrow?
No,
No, yeah, same
No,
time
no,
as
no,
the class of this one.
one.
Yes, inshallah. Okay. Tomorrow we can decide
Yeah.
if you want to write the test, then do a lesson, or do a review
Assalamu
and then the test and no lesson.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
I'm finished,
Inshallah,
I'm
all of the
finished.
best. See you tomorrow, inshallah.